Hello, back with another live trade. Been traveling a lot recently, so I just haven't got to do a live video. So this is me kind of just getting back into it a bit. I was looking back over the previous videos I had done, and Jesus, they're very serious, and it's all very serious. So I'm just gonna kind of liven these videos up a bit. I don't know how. I'm talking about trading and charts, so it's not exactly a comedy channel, but we'll try and have a bit of fun with it, or just not be so serious. So because trading, it's a funny old game, and I think actually at the start when I started trading, I was quite serious about it, and I think if you're more relaxed and a bit looser, and you kind of have a I don't care attitude, I found I've let trades run a bit longer and pull that extra profit out of the market that's needed. So, and really recently I've kind of been traveling, I haven't had as much chance to look at the charts, and I found my trades have done a lot better. So the more you mammy it, and the more you know, I guess, yeah, I guess just staring at the charts all the time and analyzing each tick, it's not good. So I'm just gonna take this laissez-faire, relaxed, taking the piss approach to trading. It seems to work. So anyway, this is the euro Aussie dollar. Just play it simple. Simple bloody horizontal trend line. Came down into this area again. Saw this kind of rejection with this candle with this little wick here. So I started to look at this area, and I looked for evidence. I trade on the 1 hour, and this is the 1 hour over here, and the 4 hour charts. So this is the weekly, daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour. So I only trade off the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So in the daily here, you can see again when I came into this area, we had this kind of pin bar. So that was a signal that it could possibly reverse. I took this trade on the 4 hour chart, and I'll just show you why. We were getting lower highs, lower lows, so we're trending down towards this area, and then you can see it starts to kind of consolidate, kind of just not really trending, and it's putting in this kind of wedge. You can see it's starting to tighten up, so I set my order above these two swings. So this would have been, so if once it broke this area, it would have been putting in a higher high, and I put my stop below this area here, and you can see price went up and hit my target. I put my target up here because this obviously could have acted as resistance, which it still might, but it's gone a little bit higher than my entry. So overall, just delete those lines. Overall, this was you can see a 2-to-1 risk reward. I just let this trade run. You can see this was a bit of pain suffered here, but again, as I said, I wasn't taking. I'm gonna try and not take trades too seriously, and well, like pretending not to take them seriously. So and not looking at them all the time. I'm just gonna let it run. So when that trade was up here at some point, and I saw this happen, I just kept my stop down here. I didn't move it, and then it turned around, and once it broke this high, then I stuck my stop underneath here, and I just waited, and that was it. So I looked at this trade maybe once or twice when I came down to this area, and I was about to move my stop to break even, and I decided against it. And I'm sure if I had been looking at it more, I would have moved my stop even higher when I saw a price up here, and I would have got stopped out, and I would have missed this move back up towards my actual target. So anyway, that's that. I just want to bring up my screenshot of my live account. So this is just to show that I took the trade live. You can see this is my live account here. This is the euro Aussie dollar, and so I bought in this area and I sold up here. So that's my entry price, my closing price, and that's the number of pips. If you look at my previous videos, I don't trade in pips, I trade in percentages, because trading in pips is a load of crap. I'm going to make a video maybe about explaining why, but you see a lot of people online saying I've made X amount of pips this month, but you can actually be up pips, say in a month, but your account could actually be down. I know that sounds odd, but I'll explain why in a later video. So anyway, that's a trade, and I'll hopefully get to put more trades up in the coming weeks. So thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll try and make this a bit more jovial and relaxed. Take it easy.